Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to see you guys again. Today I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow look, a really pretty like peachy but not peachy. It's going to be like really glittery kind of eye look. I'm really excited about it. I just did the 5-minute makeup challenge. That's why my base is done and I obviously didn't get an opportunity to do my eyes. So I was like, why not go ahead and do an eyeshadow look? So let's get right into it. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this really pretty color right here. It's this one right here. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's like a light orange. I really use these colors a lot, but it's just because they go, like they can go with anything. That's why I really like using these colors. And I'm just going to put that in my outer V and kind of mist it in. You can see I have a little bit on from the makeup challenge. I'm just putting a tiny bit in my crease. And this color like really looks so beautiful on my eyes. So I absolutely love it. So that is it on. It's really soft. We're definitely gonna bold it out as I go. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And these are really like light colors, but as I go, I'm gonna start adding some warmer colors that'll warm it up. Give it a nice little smoky effect. Okay. And that just made it kind of So now I'm going to go in with this color right here. It looks brown in the plate, but it's actually like a dark kind of salmon color. And it looks kind of maroon too. And like when you put it over like lighter colors like what I just did, it really just makes it look gorgeous. See, that's it before and that's it after. I'll put a little bit more. Absolutely love that. I remember when I used to be so scared to like get up in that brow bone and put colors up there, and I would see people doing it all the time, but I'd be like, I just can't, like it's not gonna look right on me. But now that I do it, it makes all the sense in the world. Like, wow, all the sense in the world. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, now that's with the color on. Now I'm gonna start getting a little creative and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a green. I'm just gonna put that over that color that I just did.
Just trying to smoke that out, make it kind of smoky.
Okay, that is it with that green in there, kind of deepened it up. Now I'm gonna go in my Sweet Peach palette and I'm gonna use this color right here. And it's like kind of a reddish too, just to get that back from that green. It kind of took it away a little bit.
That's so pretty. That is so pretty.
I absolutely love doing makeup looks, especially like simple ones. But when I do like eyeshadow looks, I love doing eyeshadow looks. Like, I don't really like doing my foundation and primer and stuff on camera because it gets so repetitive. But doing different eyeshadow looks, that is just wonderful. Okay, Now I'm going to go in with some concealer.
That's why I do not do my eyelashes first.
Go in with this brush. I'm just going to create that halo that I was talking about. I'm going to first go in with this peacock color right here. I know it's all gone because I broke it and it just, you know, went everywhere. And then I'm going to go in with this color right here. And it's going to kind of be a, I don't know how to explain it. It's going to have like this really cool effect. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go back in with this color right here. And I'm just going to mix it with this one just to put it in those corners. Because we do not want harsh lines at all. That is not a good look. These colors work so well together. Oh my gosh.
Absolutely love it.
Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and use this really pretty, it's like a lip liner, I think, from ColourPop, but it's purple. We working with colors today. We working with colors today. I'm gonna go ahead and go under my eye with it. Okay, so now that is under my eye, I'm gonna go in with this right here, this small brush, and I'm going to use these colors again, this one and this one. I'm gonna smoke that out. Okay, so you can see I kind of buffed out that purple a bit. And then that's the lid. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlight under my brow bone. Of course, I'm using my Sweet Peach palette in the color Luscious. This, I didn't even know about this palette. I mean, I didn't have this palette until one of my best friends in the whole world got it for me. Well, we were best friends at the time. And I mean, we're still really cool. You know, we're working out our friend things. But she got this for me. And I absolutely love this palette so much. So freaking much. But look at that highlight. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this brush right here. And I'm going to go back in with Luscious in my corners. I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. And I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look of my eyeshadow with the lashes. Absolutely love this look. With all the different colors and everything. I definitely was stepping outside of my comfort zone with this one, but I love it so much and it looks so good. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thank you and have a blessed day.